Hi, I'm Dr. Willy and we're going to talk about think like plastic, feel like a tooth. What exactly does that mean, and how do aligners move teeth? So I'm in my kitchen, and let's just talk about it in a different place. How do we open up cupboards? So you see many cupboards behind me right here in my kitchen, and you might say, well, we're going to pull those cupboards open. Let's have a look at that idea. Here's one of my kitchen cupboards, and you would say I could pull it open. But if my hand could glue to the cupboard or glue to the handle, I could pull it open. But I can't glue to it because I'm a removable aligner. I have to be able to come on and off. So if I'm not glued to it, I have to put my fingers in the undercuts of the attachment. Did I say attachment? I meant handle, to pull the door open. So you might say I use my fingers in the undercuts to pull the door open. But really, am I pulling the door open, or are my fingers pushing? So really, my fingers are pushing, and you would say the handle that is attached to the door is pulling the door open. Well, let's just study that idea for a minute. If we open the door completely, there's a screw at the back. If I take the screw off at the back, the handle is going to fall off. So that means that really what's pushing the door open is not any pull from the handle or pull from my fingers. My fingers push on the handle's attached to the inside surface of the door by the screw. If I take the screw off, I would see that it's the inner surface of the head of the screw that pushes the door open. So really it's not, the door is not pulled open, it's pushed open by the inner surface of the screw head. Now I know this is really weird because we're learning about how to open kitchen doors. And we're supposed to be learning about how aligners move teeth. But remember, aligners are removable. They only can push on the teeth. So we have to figure out a way to push teeth from the inside, from the outside, or in undercuts of attachments to get the forces we want. If you come to YOC Plus, this is exactly what you'll be learning. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.